Picture this: you're sitting in your favorite coffee shop, laptop open, trying to organize that mountain of ideas for your next big project. Sticky notes everywhere, multiple apps open, and somehow it's still a mess. Sounds familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a free AI tool that can transform all those scattered thoughts into beautiful, organized mind maps in seconds? Hey there, fellow digital nomads and remote workers. Today, I'm about to share a game changing discovery that's going to revolutionize how you brainstorm and organize your ideas, no matter where in the world you're working from. Welcome back to Digital Nomad Institute, your trusted source for uncovering those hidden gem tools that make the remote work lifestyle not just possible, but incredibly efficient. If you're new here, we're all about finding those under the radar solutions that give you that extra edge in your digital nomad journey. Now, let's talk about mind mapping. We all know it's an incredibly powerful way to organize thoughts and plan projects. But let's be honest, traditional mind mapping can be a real-time sink. You spend hours dragging boxes around, formatting connections, and trying to make everything look professional. That's why I'm super excited to introduce you to AI Mind Map, a free tool that's about to change the game completely. Whether you're planning your next business venture, organizing client projects, mapping out your travel itinerary, or even structuring your content calendar, this tool is about to become your new secret weapon. Getting started. First things first, let's head over to Edremax's AI Mind Map tool. You'll find the link right in the description below. The best part? You don't need to install anything, it's all web-based, perfect for us digital nomads who like to travel light. Once you're on the website, you'll notice how clean and intuitive the interface is. No overwhelming menus or complicated toolbars. Just a simple, straightforward design that gets the job done. Converting text to mind maps. Now, here's where the magic happens. You see that input box on the left. That's your new best friend. You can either type your ideas directly into it or paste text from your existing notes. Let me show you a pro tip here. When inputting your text, structure it using simple indentation or bullet points. For example, project launch, marketing strategy, social media, email campaign, timeline, phase 1, phase 2, budget. Watch this. Click convert button, boom. In seconds, the AI transforms your text into a beautifully organized mind map. Pretty amazing, right? Once you're happy with your mind map, sharing it is a breeze. Click the download or link share option. There you have it, fellow digital nomads. This AI mind mapping tool has completely transformed how I organize my projects. I've used it while working from Bali, Barcelona, and even during a long layover in Dubai. It's truly location independent and incredibly powerful. Remember, the key to maintaining a successful digital nomad lifestyle isn't just about finding beautiful places to work from, it's about having the right tools that let you work efficiently from anywhere in the world. If you found this helpful, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell icon too, because we're constantly discovering and sharing more hidden gems like this one. Want more game-changing tools? Check out our Digital Nomad website, the link is in the description. Drop a comment below with your favorite mind mapping tip or tell us how you plan to use this tool in your remote work journey. Until next time, keep exploring and stay productive wherever in the world you are. See you in the next video.